Welcome, here I've got OPPO A72 and I'm gonna show you the top tricks of its camera. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's see what we've got. And let's start by tapping on the screen anywhere like that. As you can see, by doing this we get access to this ring connected with this plus and minus icon. So the ring, this is the focusing, we can focus anywhere we like that. And when we tap on this a little bit longer, we get access to the exposure compensation, so here we can make our picture just more bright or dark as we need. As you can see, this is how it works here. And now let's go to these buttons here. By tapping on this we can change the lenses of this camera. As you can see, we start with ultra wide and we get really close to the subject, so this is connected with the zoom. This is how it works. We can also zoom by using two fingers like that and get closer to the subject and also go back. So this is how it works here. And now let's move to this settings bar here. Here we can easily change the modes of this camera. We can pick the night mode, video mode, photo mode, portrait mode, and by going to the right to more we get access to other modes of this camera. So this is a lot. I suggest you to making experiments with that and just have a good fun. And let me stay for now on the photo mode and let's focus on the settings bar here. Let's start from the left. By tapping on this we get access to the flash. We can turn on flash every time we take a picture. We can turn on the auto flash. Here we have also access to the fill light. As you can see, this is how it looks like. And for now let me keep this turned off. And let's move to the next one button. This is the HDR. So here we can turn on HDR every time we take a picture, or we can turn it on auto HDR, so the camera recognizes when it's needed. I suggest you to keep this on the auto because the HDR helps to improve the details in the brightest and darkest areas of our photo. This is really helpful and making just more beautiful our pictures. And let's move to the next one button here. This is the quick access to the daisy color, so we can turn it on and turn it off by just one tap. It also helps to improve our pictures with colors, so this is really useful also. And let's move to the next one button. Here we have access to the filters, so by tapping on this we can turn it on and off, and we can pick the filter we like to make our picture just more beautiful before we take it. As you can see, this is how it works, and for now let me stay on the original one and let's move to this button at the right corner. When we tap on this we get access to 4 other buttons, as we can see. So let's start from the left. The first one is the camera frame, so here we can change aspect ratio of our picture. When we tap on this we can change it to 1:1, as you can see for now. When I tap on this again we go to the full frame, and again we go to 4:3, which was the original one here. So this is how it works here. And let's go to the next one button. This is the camera timer, so here we can change the delay of taking picture, and by tapping on this we can to pick 3 or 10 seconds. As you can see, this is how it works here. So for now let me stay on 3 seconds delay to show you how it works, and let me take a photo. And as you can see, the picture was taken with 3 seconds delay, so to turn it off we just simply have to tap on this twice again. And let's move to the next one button. This is the 48 megapixel. So here we have access to the best possible quality of this camera by just one tap like that. So this is how it works. And let's move to this button from the right. By tapping on this we get access to advanced camera settings, and let me start with the general settings. As you can see, at the first position here we have the volume button function, so when we tap on this we can change it. The volume buttons are here. With the standard usage cooperating with the smartphone, they just adjust the volume, and with the camera we can pick volume, shutter or zoom. So for now let me pick zoom to show you how it works, and let's go back to the camera and try to use them. And as you can see, for now I can easily zoom by using these buttons, get closer to the subject and also go back. So this is how it works here. And let's go back to the settings from the right, and let's move to the next one option here. This is the fingerprint shooting, so when we turn it on we can take a picture by just using fingerprint sensor. So this is how it works, and this is how it how to turn it on and off. So let me stay on this and let's go back to the camera. As you can see, the fingerprint is here, so when I tap on this now, I can easily take a picture like that. So this is really easy. And let's go back to the settings. Let's move to this one. This is the shooter sound. So by tapping on this button, we can easily turn off and turn on the camera sounds like that. So this is how it works. And let's move to the location. Here we can, by using this button, turn on and turn off the saving location info of our picture. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location services of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And let me keep this turned on and go back to the camera to take a photo to check the location. And now let's focus on this button here at the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this, we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our picture. And now we have to go to this button in the right corner at the bottom. When we tap on more, we get access to the details, and here we can check the location. So here it is at the first position, greetings from Krakow. This is how it works. And let's go back to the camera and to this settings from the right. And now let's move to the photo settings here. We can also turn on this option touch to take a photo. So this is the other way to take a picture easily. So by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off. Let me stay on turn it on. And as you can see now, we can tap anywhere and the picture is taken. So this is really easy. And let's go again to this. And let's focus on the grid lines here. By using this button we can turn on and turn off the camera grid lines now. So let me keep this turned on and let's go back again to the camera. And as you can see, it generates as these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture. These are only lines to help us taking better pictures. So let me take a photo and let's go again to the gallery here to the left corner at the bottom. As you can see, these grid lines are not visible here. So let's go back and let's go back here. Of course, when we don't need it, we can easily turn it off here by tapping on this button again. And for now, it's gone. So this is how it works. And now let's focus on the watermark. By tapping on this we can adjust the watermark. We can pick phone model with the custom watermark. So these two watermarks are connected. We can add our own watermark, for example HardReset. This is connected. We can add date and time watermark and location watermark. So we can pick all of three at the same time. We can pick one of these, for example, phone model or date and time only or location only. So this is how it works. And for now, let me turn it on all of this with the custom watermark to show you how it looks like on the real picture. And let's go back to the camera and let's take a photo. Now let's go again to the gallery here. And as you can see, the watermark is here. So OPPO A72 by HardReset with date and time. So this is how it works. And after turning on all of these settings, sometimes we want to go back to the auto settings. We can do it by using this option at the end, restore to defaults. So when we tap on this, we can easily reset settings and go back to the original one. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.